guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a master bathroom clean with me. I'm going to do a power deep clean today and take you along with me. I'm going to be sharing with you the secret or not so secret recipe for cleaning the bathtub and shower door the easy and efficient way. Here is a little before shot of the bathroom so you can see what we're working with. You can see that our kids have decided that this is the better bathtub to have their bath in, so they usually have their bath here now. I got these bath sponges for Bellamy about 3 months ago, and honestly they've just had their time. As with all bath toys, they kind of have a limited shelf life, so I'm going to be getting rid of a lot of those today. As usual, I'm sharing with you my simple cleaning routine. I have 5 steps that I do when I clean every room. The first thing that I do when I go into the room is take out all of the dirty linens and garbage. The second thing that I do is I make sure everything that doesn't belong in the room is out of the room. And then the third thing I do is clear the surfaces. Fourth, I clean the surfaces and disinfect them. And fifth, I clean the floors, all the time cleaning top to bottom. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Laura and I am a wife and stay-at-home mom of 2 awesome kids, Charlie who's 6 and Bellamy who is 3. I make videos on this channel about my life. I make a vlog every week and also a cleaning video at this moment, so please subscribe if you are interested in seeing my life plus a cleaning video each week. Because I'm looking top to bottom, I'm starting first with these light bulbs. 2 of these lights are broken and I actually realized that I needed to order more light bulbs. I ended up ordering these on Amazon. They are LED lights that last for 10 years. You can see that the light in this bathroom looks a little yellow in the video, and that's because of the tone of the light bulbs. So I've changed them all out to cool toned light bulbs now. I'll show you at the end of the video what it looks like now, because as I was filming this video I was doing it all with the old light bulbs. So today I wanted to talk about this magical cleaning mixture of Dawn dish detergent, vinegar, and a magic eraser. I'm going to break down what each of them do and why they're so good together to use in the bathroom. I'm first making a mixture in the bathroom sink of hot water, vinegar, and Dawn. Why is Dawn dish soap a better dish soap? Dawn is made up of surfactants, and surfactants are awesome because they basically work to lower the surface tension between 2 items like a solid and a liquid. So one part of a surfactant is attracted to water, while the other part is attracted to a solid like dirt or food or grease. Vinegar is great at removing residue, and it also adds a little bit of a shine. So the 2 together are a really powerful combination. I also like to use a magic eraser, especially on the bathtub. Magic erasers are made of melamine resin, which cures into foam when it's wet, and its microstructure becomes almost as hard as glass, which causes it to act like a super fine sandpaper on stains. The abrasive foam loosens up dirt and grime, and the open microstructure of the foam sucks it in and traps it there. And that is why it is so effective at removing dirt. Also using this Clorox bathroom disinfecting mixture. It's actually not bleach based, so you don't have to worry about mixing it with other chemicals. This is very similar to the disinfecting Lysol. I'm using a squeegee today on the glass shower doors, which works really well. picked up this little jug at the dollar store a while ago, and it's been really helpful for cleaning out the bathtub. Moving on to the toilet, so I'm just cleaning our squatty potty here. I think I like this squatty potty. We got it because my daughter is potty training, and this way we don't have to use a stool at the toilet and she can get up herself on the toilet, but there aren't any handles and sometimes she has trouble with it. I'm just using a disinfecting wipe to clean the toilet. That is what I prefer to clean the toilet seat with. Then I'm going in with my Scrubbing Bubbles toilet brush and the disposable toilet brush head. Now I'm going into the shower to clean the tile grout. Moved all of the dish detergent and vinegar that was in the bathroom sink, or most of it, into the bathtub, and then I've topped it off a little bit more. I just eyeballed it with more vinegar and dish detergent, and now I'm just going in to scrub the sides down with the magic eraser, and then I'm just going to let this sit in the bathtub for a good amount of the day until it cools, and then I will drain it and rinse it off. You can see that I had a ton of products that I had to move to the side to do this clean today. I definitely think a declutter is in my future. I used to be quite minimalist and then I accumulated a little bit more, but I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed by the amount of stuff on our counters, and I think I need to pare it down again. So definitely watch out for a decluttering video in the next month or so. I got a new Swiffer this week. I broke 2 Swiffer poles from the Dollar Tree, the fake Swiffer poles. So I decided to go back to the original Swiffer, and actually this kit comes with a bunch of pads, so I'm going to be using those pads today on the floor to clean the floor. I definitely prefer to mop this bathroom floor, but I just wanted to use up the pads. Usually let you know every cleaning video what I'm drinking. Today I'm drinking a big iced coffee. It's actually pretty early in the morning. I usually let you know also what I'm listening to, but today I gave my phone to Bellamy, so she's watching her show in the bedroom while I'm filming this video. So this is the final result. It's all fresh and clean, and I'm really happy with it. And here we have what it looks like with the new light bulbs. So next time I film a cleaning video in here, it's gonna look a lot brighter. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, that you're having a great week, and I will see you guys next week for a new vlog and cleaning video. Bye for now.